This shit is about to be crazy, guys. The first car show at Daikin Field, the old Minute Maid. They're going to have all the exotic cars, over 300 cars. Just glad to be part of it. Shout out to Team Savage giving me a call when a spot came available. So now we're on our way out there, about to go park the car the day before the event. And I think the car show officially starts Saturday, August 2nd, 2025 from like 9 a.m., 4 p.m. sold out event. So we'll go out there, set up the car the day before, and then we'll show up the day of. See how it goes, guys. Hopefully this process to get the car in the field is pretty easy. We signed all the waiver forms. They have everything on record. We're supposed to be pulling up. Hopefully all they do is pull up the license plates and tell me to come right on in. So we'll see.
Doug.
It's driving me out of my mind. That's why it's hard for me to find. Can't get it out of my head. Miss her, kiss her, love
DJ Graham.
that girl is. Can't get it out of my head. Can't get it out of my head. It's driving me out of my mind. That's why it's hard for me to find.
That girl there poison, but I don't mean it in a bad way. I gotta go see her, man, every night and every day. Cause it's so good, top so good, make a player never wanna leave. I make you wanna take the girl everywhere with you, won't never let her breathe. And she's so bad, man, look at that air. Stay ready for whatever, whenever, if you're trying to have a blast. Make a GB like is this for real? I feel like I got the baddest one in the city. Hell yeah, tonight I'm gon' chill. All the tricks trying to get her, all them haters trying to win her. Dropping south on the boss and get mad in the bitch every time to see me out in the club with her.
What's up, boys?
She's
What's up, my brother?
mine.
What's going on?
Good. See you. What's up, man?
What's up, brother?
How are you?
So what's the time tomorrow? You coming back?
I'm not sure.
I'm
Probably-
thinking probably 9, 8:39. I don't know. I'm gonna dip around 11:30.
Are you?
Yeah, 'cause I ain't being here after that. Because around lunchtime, people are gonna start pulling in here.
It's gonna be packed.
25,000 people, bro.
Shit.
Throw up a big ass new era fucking drone flying around and promoting a flag.
For real, man. This thing is huge. I guess there's a lot of cars inside too.
It's badass.
Is it?
You just got out.
Oh, really? I haven't even gone to check that. I was just out here just checking out the scene. That's what's up, man. What do y'all do? You can just walk in?
Nah.
So inside they have, so people that park their car inside, they get employee tag thing.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
But that's my boy's Ryan's car right here.
Oh yeah, I've known Ryan a long time.
Yeah, but I went to school with him. Same home. He just got to get tired of the look. He's like, man, switch it up, different colors, do this, do that. All right, yeah.
Bro.
How you doing?
This whole's live, bro.
Man, this is the pre-setup before the event tomorrow, guys. It's going down. Look at all these fly-ass cars, man. Lambos, McLarens, Porsches, a little bit of everything that's hot in H-Town is here. So tomorrow's a show, man. Can't wait. We'll see how it goes.
Hey, what's going on, guys? If you're in the Texas area and you're looking for epoxy materials, we are a one-stop shop to everything epoxy with 3 locations in Houston, Austin, and San Antonio. If you need addresses, look them up on Google or call our main office at 832-813-8260. Peace.
They're expensive glasses though.
Does he put them on?
I know you're young.
My grandpa still has that.
Oh, what?
the player he showed me. He got him a new TV like a year ago, 2 years ago. He still used to have a box TV.
Damn.
Yeah.
Still works though, huh?
So like we're gonna have to fit it in. They need to be done by the 22nd. We're gonna have to pull some guys to go to that bigger or the other job. Do you think we can make it work?
You figure it out. We're gonna have to figure that out.
What up, everybody? It's Jayden with New Era. We're here at a job located in Conroe, the Medical District. This right here is a building that we did a 3-code neat system with code stem walls. This is one of the rooms, and we have 2 other rooms right here. We did a light gray system with a little bit added quartz, and then you come this way right here. So we did this 3 rooms, and then this room right here is actually coming building some stuff. But there's some sauce in this room right here. We'll give you a sneak peek. This is a little preview of what the guys are doing. On to the next job.
I'm something like a baller. The candy paint dripping off of the old school Impala. The candy paint dripping off of the old school Impala. The candy paint dripping off of the old school Impala. I'm with that big bank Hank, that Poppy Joe and trunk bump like chicken pox. Turn the bass up just a notch. Use blaze chopping.
Train people, I'm also selling the materials because you're not even gonna get every job anyway.
So you're distributing the material.
I'm distributing as well. One, man, our main thing is install. I mean, the United Airlines contract, Southwest contract.
I love to hear that. Man, when I see man, Raza, do stuff, man. I like that, man.
What's up, guys? Day 2 of the event, and we are here at the Daikin Field, home of the Houston Astros. Check this out. All exotics, all on the field. And on the first floor, you look around, there's cars inside the building and cars outside the building. That's Slim Thug's Lambo right there.
Slim Thugger, mother Owen. Welcome to the city of game. Piece of chains and swings. Pop trunk and bang, yeah, I'm still here, man. Born and raised on the stead block. Braids, no dreadlocks. Married to the hood, me and Cynic Wood wedlock. Acres home, my home. I'm an outside veteran. Reppin' H-time, smoking, sipping on some medicine. Ain't nobody better than the boss when I flow. Slim Thugger, mother, still breaking boys off.
Got plenty cheese, plenty carrots, man, we looking like some caterers. And it's looking like you haters and you fakes is imitating us. Shaded up, braided up, and I bet that truck be bladed up. And I'm still crawling on phone, so they ain't fading us. In the hood, I'm a grinder, wood on the vinyl.
Oh, that's a whole little line of Vipers, huh?
Yeah,
That's a Viper car.
30 feet probably. Hey, where?
Oh, that's the one that got the phone.
Told him we on the new one. Yeah, he got the barcode from Miami. Oh, I see, he left it on there. It's a badge of honor right there.
Have
Vehicle was stolen. Yeah, 2 tractors.
All right, 12 o'clock. We're at an event. We just left meeting up with Team Savage. When I tell you this place is packed, it is packed to the maximum. We couldn't even walk in there, but what a badass event. We're on our way to the north side off of Ella and I-45. We're getting ready to do a back to school drive for the kids in need over there that need backpacks. So we're on our way to meet the New Era crew over there. We got some special guests showing up, Little Mexico and all them guys. The whole New Era, a couple big time sponsors. So we're leaving the ballpark and we're heading over to Ella to go do that. And yeah, man, what an event. This is one for the books, and I'm happy to be a part of this.
Boys and girls, listen up. You can be anything in the world, and God we trust. An architect, doctor, maybe an actress, but nothing comes easy. It takes much practice. Like I met a woman who's becoming a star. She was very beautiful, leaving people in awe. Singing songs, Lena Horne, but the younger version. Hung with the wrong person, got her strung on that heroin, cocaine, sniffing up drugs, all in the nose. Could've died so young, now looks ugly and old. No fun, cause now when she reaches for hugs, people hold their breath, cause she smells of corrosion and death. Watch the company you keep and the crowd you bring, cause they came to do drugs and you came to sing. So if you're gonna be the best, I'ma tell you how. Put your hand in the air and take the vow. I know I can, be what I wanna be. If I work hard at it, I'll be where I wanna be. Boys and girls, listen again. This is for grown-looking girls who's only 10. The ones who watch videos and do what they see. As cute as can be, up in the club with fake ID. Careful, before you meet a man with HIV. You can host a TV like Oprah Winfrey. Whatever you decide, be careful, some men be rapists. So act your age, don't pretend to be older than you are. Give yourself time to grow. You're thinking he can give you wealth, but so young boys, you can use a lot of help, you know. You're thinking life's all about smoking weed and ice. You don't wanna be my age and can't read and write, begging different women for a place to sleep at night. Smart boys turn them in and do whatever they wish. If you believe you can achieve, then say it like this: I know I can, be what I wanna be. If I work hard at it, I'll be where I wanna be. Now go. Before we came to this country, we were kings and queens, never porch monkeys. There was empires in Africa called Kush, Timbuktu, where every race came to get by.
I told him.